En este tutorial aprenderás a resolver el error. Se necesita reiniciar el sistema para jugar en League of Legends.
Open your Start menu and look for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. Expand DVD CD-ROM drives. Right-click your DVD device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Drivers. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver for your DVD or CD adapter. Press Next. Restart your computer. First, open your Start menu. Type regedit. Click on regedit. Press Yes. Now copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. In the Registry Editor search bar, delete all the text. Now right-click the search bar and select Paste. Press Enter. Right-click Lower Filters and select Delete. Press Yes. Right-click Upper Filters and select Delete. Press Yes. Now restart your PC. First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand DVD CD-ROM drives. Right-click your DVD device. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Press the Update Driver button. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. You can also select Search for updated DVD drivers on Windows Update. Just press Search for updates. Wait for Windows to finish updating your drivers. First, open your Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand DVD CD-ROM drives. Right-click your DVD device. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Disable Device. Read the warning and press Yes. Now click on Enable Device to restart your DVD drive. Now check if your DVD is working. First open Start and search for your device manager. Open your device manager again. Expand the DVD CD-ROM drives. Right-click DVD adapter and choose Properties. Reopen the Driver tab. Select Uninstall device. Press the Uninstall button. Now restart your computer so a new driver is installed.